Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have tried so many different kinds of press-on nails, but these press-ons from BTArtbox are definitely among one of my favorites. This brand has so many styles and colors to choose from, but I absolutely love these ones in the square shape and the vanilla cream color. The package came with so many different sized nails, and I was able to find the ones that looked the most natural for my finger size. I find them extremely flattering for my skin tone. They just sort of blend right in, and it's really hard to tell that I'm wearing press-on nails. I was so happy and really impressed to see just how durable and strong these nails are. They're also a nice short length. I really don't like nails to be too long. I still want to be able to do all my regular activities, and I can definitely do that with these nails. These were incredibly easy and fast to apply, and I was totally thrilled with how my nails looked afterwards. Anytime I have a special event or I just want to feel more put together throughout my day, I will definitely be turning to these nails from BTArtbox. But that's just my point of view.